Farm Animals by Kinderlove. Cows eat grass. Cows make milk. Cows live together in groups called herds. Cows say moo, moo, moo. A hen is a mommy chicken. A rooster is a daddy chicken. Hens lay eggs. Chicks hatch from eggs. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. Hens say cluck, cluck. Chicks say cheep, cheep. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses can run fast. Mane is the hair that grows from the top of the neck of a horse. Horses say neigh, neigh. Water buffaloes have 2 horns. They help farmers plow rice field. A mother pig can give birth to many babies, called piglets, at once. Pigs like rolling in the mud to cool off. Pigs say oink, oink, oink. Look at the farm animals you have learned. Which animal makes milk? Which animal helps farmers plow rice field? Which animal likes to play in the mud? Which animal can run fast? Which animal hatches from an egg? The end. I hope you enjoyed the book.